everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today let's do something on nails, and it's really easy. Most of you will have everything you need in the house. It's only got 3 ingredients, and it's when you feel as if your nails or your cuticles just feel as if they're a bit dry, they need a bit of TLC. Sometimes people get that dryness around the cuticle area. Sometimes even think they might be getting a little bit of a fungal issue on their nail. It can also just be that you want to help your nails grow, and this is a really simple soak that you can make, and all you need is coconut oil, honey and some apple cider vinegar. That's all you need, and when you combine them, the theory is that it's antibacterial, it's antifungal, it's moisturising and it's strengthening. That's how simple it is, and you can use it every day if you like, about 10 minutes, and then because it's got the oil in it, when you're finished you can actually do a little bit of massage just to get the benefits. So how easy is that? So all we're going to do is just use, now because it's coconut oil, you can also get MCT, which is the liquid, basically the liquid version. Coconut oil is solid at room temperature, so we need to melt this very gently in the microwave, but go easy though, do 30 seconds at a time because you don't want oil to be too hot. But you're basically picking out essentially a small bit that's like maybe a teaspoon worth, so a teaspoon, and then you want to just have about a teaspoon worth of the apple cider vinegar. So we'll just pop in, we're just going to free pour it because we're professionals here. I was waiting to make a complete mess there. And then you're going to use a couple of spoonfuls of honey, so 2 teaspoons, and then just a little bit of water just to loosen it all off. And that's it. And we'll pop that in the microwave. So I'll do my second spoon, because you'll be waiting forever. Look at how slow that is. We'll do 2 spoons, tiny little bit of water, maybe a teaspoon, and then we'll come back and see how it looks when we've warmed it up just to melt that coconut oil. So here it is, under a minute in the microwave. Make sure it's warm. You're only melting the coconut oil. You can see on the top, it's got that oily film on it. So literally all you have to do is just very gently soak your nails for 10 to 15 minutes maximum. I'll just do one at a time so you can see, and that's it. What not to do is ask someone if they want to use the spoon because it's had honey on it, and say to them, do you want this spoon to lick? It's just had honey on it. If you've dropped it in here and it's also had vinegar, because that's not very nice. So that's just a little top tip. If anyone knows someone that might have done that, I'm not mentioning any names. So you can spend your 10-15 minutes really soaking those nails, and remember, it's not guaranteed that you do it once and you see this dramatic result, but if you are looking to try and tackle dryness, if you are looking to promote some healthy nail growth, if you do want to see an improvement in your nail plate itself, then it's definitely worth giving it a try, and then you can do a nice little massage with it too. But do bear in mind, it will be sticky, so you can't just use the oil, let it soak in and then you're done. It will have that residue because there's honey in it. If you do suspect that there might be some sort of infection there, get it checked. Go and see a medical professional, because you could be wrong and it could be something else that does need a specific medical treatment. So it's always good, if you're in any doubt about something, get a medical professional to check it out. So yeah, do your little massage and then give your hands a little wash and you're sorted. So I hope you found this useful. Maybe you already do something like this. Let me know if you do. If you've got any recipes for natural hand masks or massages that you do with your favourite ingredients. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon.